Hi, algebra students. Today we're going to take these 2 points and we are going to find the x and y intercepts. The first step is to find the slope. So find the slope. So we can use the m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 formula. So let's do that. So we're going to have -4 minus a -2, which will become +2, over 5 minus 4, and that's going to give us the m. And that will give us a slope of -1. Now, our next step, we're going to use point slope form. Now, point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This will probably be our best strategy to manipulate this equation in order to get it in standard form. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to pick this point right here. And so my y is -2. So I'm going to take y plus 2 equals my slope of -2 times x minus 4. So now I have it in PSF form. So now if we just take this equation and manipulate it like we've been doing and write it in standard form, which if we remember standard form to be ax plus by equals c, this is standard form, we can easily find the x and y intercept. So our first step is to distribute. So we're going to have y plus 2 equals -2x plus 8. Then I'll add my 2x to each side. So then I'll have 2x plus y plus 2 equals 8. Then I'm going to subtract 2. So I'll have 2x plus y equals 6. Now I can just do my cover-up method. So when I cover up this y, we see that x will equal 3. And when we cover up the x, the 2x, it just shows us that y equals 6. So therefore, right here, you have your x-intercept is 3. So therefore, I put the 3 in the x spot. 0 will be my y. My y-intercept is 0. 0 for the x, and my y will be 6. So let's do this one a little faster. Our first thing we need to do is find the slope. So we're going to take 7 minus 1 over -5 minus 1. So that's going to give us 6 over -6. So our slope is going to be -1. So next, we're going to write it in PSF, which is point slope form. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So that's going to look like so. I'm going to pick this point right here. Y minus 1 equals -1 x minus 1. So now we have it in point slope form. So now we can go ahead and start writing it in standard form, which will look like this: ax plus by equals c. So let's go ahead and I'm going to move it over here. Y minus 1 equals negative 1 times x minus 1. So my first step, I'm going to need to distribute this negative 1. So I'm going to have y minus 1 equals negative, or the opposite of 1x, or 1x plus 1. So now we need to get our x over to the left side. So we're going to add a 1x to each side. And remember, we don't need to write the 1. It's any number or variable times 1 is just that variable. So we can write x plus y minus 1 equals 1, just bringing that 1 down. And then we're going to add 1 to each side. So we get x plus y equals 2. So now it is in standard form. We can kind of check right there. So now we're going to do our cover-up method and figure out what the x-intercept is and the y-intercept. Okay, so I'm just going to use this little finger thing. I'm going to cover up my y. Oops, looks like my x-intercept is 2. So I will write my point as 2, 0. And then I'm going to cover up my x, and it says y is going to be 2. So I will write this as 0, 2. And then this will be my answer for the x and y intercept.